In this video, I'll show you how to set a limit order for crypto on Robinhood using the mobile app. A limit order lets you choose the exact price you want to buy or sell cryptocurrency at instead of accepting the current market price. First, open the Robinhood app on your phone and sign into your account. Once you're on the home screen, tap the search icon at the bottom and search for the cryptocurrency you want to trade. Open the crypto page to continue. After that, tap on the trade button and choose whether you want to buy or sell the cryptocurrency. On the order screen, enter the amount of crypto or the dollar amount you want to trade. Next, look for the order type option, which is usually set to market order by default. Tap on it and change it to limit order. Once you select limit order, Robinhood will ask you to enter your limit price. This is the exact price where you want the order to execute. For a buy order, the trade will only go through if the crypto price drops to your selected amount or lower. For a sell order, the order will execute only if the price rises to your target amount or higher. After entering the limit price, review all the order details carefully, including the estimated cost and quantity. You may also be able to choose how long the order stays active before it expires. Once everything looks correct, tap Review Order and then confirm the trade. Your order will remain pending until the market reaches your selected price. You can monitor or cancel the order anytime from your pending orders section inside the app. And that's how you can set a limit order for crypto on Robinhood. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials.